So my people, me have two live me I go share with you. Zine, one with Rosalee. Rosalee come for Deverell wicked, cause Deverell come out and say I scam them, I scam the people, I expose everything, Yes, so me I say, that are the first live I go share with you, and then me have a next live I go share with you, where Blinga done the scammer man and him girlfriend. Yes, so me I say, so him end up join Bling Live, you see me, and me I go make you hear what go on, so we are going to kick it off with Rosalee. That's what I say. And then we move on.
Night. Me a real girl. Me a real smaddy. Me no walk and tell lie. I'm gonna need for some fire soul. Me don't tell you no from day one. Me come here and look something I beg. Me a beg. Me talk it loud and proud. Me never hide it. When everybody say, we're streaming on TikTok, me say no, I beg, we are beg. If you are streaming, fine. Me no I beg, me a beg. When Unu say you're streaming, I'll say you're streaming, oh, whatever stream, when I stream, that's fine by Unu. It's beg me begging. Till people can come out and say, oh, the one of them are beg. The one of them are beggar. I beg from day one. I beg the one of we beg. We not stream, but we actually come power we live, we talk, we interact with people. Some people like we energy, them like we essence, and them love we aura. And them give what we have. We are keep our match. They must say me I gotta support that person, We get gift and we support people. Also. So we don't beg and don't have any diamond level. We beg and have diamond level. So we get gift and we send back gift. We support each other. We are come talk about prank. You and Jayden go along in them this prank story there. Me not wrong prank, my love. Cause show me easily get ignorant when foolishness attack. Me not run prank. Some tights. Yeah, me look at tights. It's a true. Me easily get mad. Don't tell no blood clot like on me. And don't come talk about and the rest of TikTok of them. Cause them a look views. Money upon views. And 3,000 people there I saw. And now I know I'm gonna get a money gun. I don't need to look shit for views. Me I look for one good Samaritan to come and make them one wheel. To start off the journey out of 20. Never get one wheel my aunt niece. The girl will write her speech, I can't stay. So come off of this body mouth. I saw me make money off of one. Come off of this, you don't even follow me. Look how you're nice and there. So go beard. Go beard. Go beard. Rhyme beg one wheel my uncle. But now with a cute can. They might do it for views. So we can't do it for views to beg. Do them something there, baby. Do them something there, papa. Just one beg I will, my niece. Do them something that come with that. You're out to order, you're rude, you're rotten. You and Jayden have them the story, me and him don't have it. I saw somebody, Benoy, that is in a spot. And Jayden don't take anything serious. I know we went out. I know him as a jovial person. But when you know a person and you realize they are serious, they are serious. For me see this is a screen card me see, the night when me send Jayden the request. A long time I send the request, Cause I say no, this I get out of hand. And me send my request, Riding solo. And me send Jayden a request, I'm say what keep you so what go on. You girl, me not like this. Me not spotlight that. I don't even like it for myself. Much less like it for people, Keisha. Me not like that. Me not like it. And she dead, I was dead. I don't call Jayden. A long time from the girl in yard, I don't call Jayden. The last time I spoke to Jayden is when he was at the police station with his brother about the car. That was the last time I spoke to Jayden. A long time I call Jayden. You understand? Long time I talk to Jayden. And if Jayden did not go prank, if Jayden do want prank the media, when we go buy the fish over Elcha, why we never sit down and discuss about pranking the media? You don't have to prank the media, bro. Jayden is a funny person. You say something about him bad, and him turn now one way and it becomes funny. Enough people over there daytime for laugh. I enjoy him company, I don't know about others. Jayden is a funny person. But when I go come out and talk about prank, I can't fathom. Where is the prank? Where is the prank? No prank is here? No prank is here. I saw the screener card, and when him holding him face so, I literally saw tears in him eye them red like him want to cry. Mr. the girl that do him things. Whereas when them start him life, she come up with a dilemma. No, she the next blood clot one, but she apology. Me not take none. You know what you are doing and not taking none. Don't apologize to me, I don't even want it. You can say you're sorry, you're talking to yourself. Because you can't company me that come say he has no time for you any at all. Because you meet him doing that. Is there you meet him from. You meet a girl that sell blood clot pussy. You go come and say, oh, stop sell pussy. You meet her and sell pussy. And time she broke, she got sell her for. You meet somebody a thief. You can say, oh, stop thief. When them broke, what am I going to do? Not got thief? You meet him that way. So you obviously, all right then. If I come the next time, when I come back here, I'm going to work and save my money and take you to a hotel. So we can have a week together without blogging. So all you can do is take picture, because we're going to go in a pool, or we're going to go this, or we're going to go there. You know, come with sufficient cash. Him not going to there and dead for hungry. You're not gonna make him dead with 2 weeks.
So people, Lion Man and him girlfriend look like say boy, nothing really. I go on to that. So them pull off a stunt. You see me? So I hit Deverell come here now, and Deverell I say, yo, you know what? Me and him do it already, and him bust by me. So right now, me I go bust by him. So if you don't watch the video I do yesterday, you go hear Deverell attack the things them. Cause Deverell show the screenshot them and them something there, and make the people them know say them do it already, and him Lion Man I link them back again for do it again, because when him go do it what the with the video where him put up, you know when the Najib boy thing did go on and him put up the video, yes, that video there is like people did start take with themselves from him. So him want pull off something, you know, to draw back the people them to him. So at that Deverell I say, you know, him a come bust out because him did bust out film thing already. So him a come bust out back film thing, but him did a wait for he get big, so he get big, you know. So him a bust out it. So make me know what you think, and we are go watch some more.
He missing. When him come back, him steal. The media is of if the media is of a consistent. If you're absent for 2 or 3 days, you can't ask them to 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month. You give them to go somewhere else, because you're not here. You meet him that way. When you're there far in, you sit on your phone and watch him live to keep your company. You can there, you sit down and watch live to keep him company. Simple. But you can't come out and say, oh, He has no time for me. You meet him that way. It's so you meet him. Him not gonna drop. He might not basically tell us I'm not gonna drop this for you. You meet me, so. What else you want me to do? We're here together. You don't have no chill. You can't come and apologize to me because I'm not going to take it. Because I say triple attack till last night you attack something different. Nothing more than you want to full up the boy mind. For the boy run come back to you. For this time you're going to do him all worse. Because you can't wait until when the live start, you want to talk. You can't sit down and wait till him start him live, you're ready for talk. You can't sit down and wait until I went me there for the whole time and I went ready for go work. You're ready for start tapping upon that. Me tell my man Sunday me not leave you so. Me they at work. So if you want grind, we'll go back it up there so come in and go lock off this. I'm at work. I am at work. Oh, Jayden. Jayden, that is what you're gonna live off as that feed you. Then you hold on pan car, I never know so 100,000 you have in a car. But think I did half or more. Then you put up video where I kiss your foot. And then you come up. I apologize about what? Girl, go sit down, yeah? You see me look last night. I apologize about what? You come show a picture with the boy, you kiss your foot. And then I talk about, you apologize about what? You know, over our page. You don't like excitement, you don't like this, you don't like that. So why you post? I'm going to something wrong with it. That's what we never do yet. I would have my piece of kitchen. Shanta? Whether the man want to go back or not. Whether the man want to go back or not for them business that. If he want to go back or not for them business that. You get it? How would I think that, sir?
So, I calm down now and see.
How would I think that, sir?
You don't have to stress me.
You have to buy it. But I tell you if you buy it. I tell you if you buy the ear for me. But you want to do your own way because you don't listen. You want me listen to you or you don't want to listen to me? Something can go, sir? You're the next blood clot one too. You're my Arab, nasty blood clot, drunk right now. Take it by me, you know. Oh, Rosalie, I want to apologize. Apologize to me. When I nail you. If me never strong, if me did come yesterday like me's a weak fence. She throw water upon me. You can't come apologize to me, girl. I came to you with a, you know, so I know, I never me not invade her space. You know, I know, me not flip the camera upon her. You know, see them stop me here. I did not flip the camera on you. I did not flip the camera on you. She go for a cup of water. When she hear Jayden call her, the first thing she come out the door with is a cup of water in her hand. She never came out with peace. She never came out that she wanted to talk to him. If you had that approach, when we came there, we saw it different. If you say, you people excuse, I want to talk to Jayden.
So, when Rosalee say a while ago, like, if him and the girl are go back together, You know what I mean? It's a possibility. Because when it comes to relationships, still, you know, people, man and woman think different, you know. If you have a friend or so, we go through certain things and you go help them out certain way and sort out whatever, don't you ever, like, say, yeah, take a side aggressively, right? Like, you got this the woman for your friend, because you might shame in the long run when them reunite and go back together. So, when Rosalie do, when she got the yard, that is something where a friend would have do. Them would have defend them friend and themselves, because the girl a move towards, like, say she want to do whatever. So she have to make the girl know, say whatever, anything, you know. You see me? So Deverell now we come expose everything, make Rosalie look away, make Italian look away, and make the two of them, I go say the two scammer them, look away. You see me I say? Cause if them really do, hold on the people, if them really do this for some gifts, you know what I mean, that low, me no believe so still. Me feel like a natural thing happen and thing, but you have people who have them opinion wagwan, and then Deverell no make it no better when him come say what him say. So that look away. So make a watch some more and hear what Rosalie say.
Joke. I want to talk to you now. Rosalie and you, sorry Italian, Rosalie go outside. Make me an Italian talk. Make me and Jayden talk. No. She hear him call and come out with a cup of water. She know her intention. She can't tell me no sorry. You know what beat her bad? The fact that when she throw him out, him not run come behind her like a look up. Dog. That a beat her bad. That a beat her bad. It beat her bad, you know? Yeah. When you hype up yourself, and you be able to get up on the top of the world, that a beat her bad. That beat her bad like 12 noon. Because she never know, say, all in her back her head, he has no one and no one cares for him. She know that. She knows him not have no relative. He has no family. She knows him the damn brother yard and the brother put him out. He not live there no more. She know. She knows. She know these things, TikTok. She knows. She knows him situation. She knows. She's playing with that. As true me know, me not allow her to play with it. She know if she put him out, him not have nowhere to go. She know him not have no money upon him. She know everything. She knows. She know. She know if she put him out, him not have nowhere to go. She know. That's why she do it. That's why she come out, throw water in her face and throat clothes. Move from here. Get away from here. Move. Move from here. You come your door, sorry. Because you know him up alive. You know him up alive. You started the drama. Because each time him go up alive, you did the things them. And I mean start the drama, you. So you go come out and say, sorry now. Well, you know. You know some helpless and him hopeless. You know him not live now. You know if you throw him out, him not have no way for gonna friend you, for gonna but him not a man, him can't go down on my brother, I go down on my mother, I go down on my nephew, I go down on my niece, I go down on my auntie. You know. He told you this stuff about him. She's not sorry. She's a manipulator. She can't tell me nothing. You eat. They go throw him out and ask me if him eat. If I throw you out of my house, I don't need to ask you if you eat. I want if me and them want to leave, when me I call ask if you eat for, like me do care, me just throw you out. Me just throw you out. She know. In the damn brother, him and him brother fall out, him not dead no more. She know. She know this thing. She's not sorry. She can't come tell. The fact that I did this, I want to say, so you can't tell me sorry. Because yesterday you came out with a cup of water for throwing my face. And me and my little girl, me not come about that. And even when I get Jayden in the car key, you still want an argument. I say, come Jayden. Because I say, go on Rose, go on home. Because you get the car key. So when that nasty dev them come talk about is a prank. So it's a prank for the girl to water in a Italian face. A surprise she get. And him surprised too. Mo. She got a surprise. It was a surprise. She got a surprise. She never know that people out there check fame. She never knows some people out there check fame. She never knows him can't get help. She never know that. She never not even him never know that neither. But she never know that. She never know that. No, she never know. Because let me tell you, she been do the things them. But true, she been do the things them. I tell him, say, boy, my damn fish the day come and she have to go home. She so gone in her yard. So all in the back of him head say, she so gone in her yard. Damn fish go away. But she never know say somebody go willing come for him, take him away, can go somewhere for sleep, for avoid chief for the rest of the days when she there. Look a boy kneel down on your foot and turn around up and why you post that? With a caption behind it. You know exactly what you are doing. And you are doing it. So when I'm over there and go like that, I laugh till I nearly drop down. Because you deserve it. Because you know what you do.
When me appraise still me people, how lion man make a woman run him out I'm own house. Because remember him rent the place, you know, and the woman run him out tight, you know. But me hear him did I explain to Miss Bling. I said, boy, it's like because of the situation and how she had gone and him know say she have couple days left. So him decide for just come out of the place and make you stay in there because him know them have him as a man where, you know what I mean, beat up him woman or whatever. That's why him cut. You see me? So that me kinda understand that still. But him could have called the officer them and make them know say, yo, come get this girl out of my place. Instead of him to come out. You see me? So me I look upon what Deverell say, but me kinda I pray and I say this maybe be true still, you know, but more I know what Uno think. Put in comment and make me know what Uno think. Me go watch some more.
You know what you do? I don't I don't want my mom to see me on the media nothing no go so. When someone walk around and trick everybody, when you can't pay them trick them, but someone walk and trick people. I will stay real as fuck. 4.5k people, yes, I will stay real as fuck. My viewers, them. Everybody on TikTok when come up on my life every day know me. You see me sad, you see me jovial, you see me happy, and you see me ignorant. Me no hold back no side of me. Me no hold back no, somebody saw some of me ignorant and blood clot till me can't even talk. Yes, that's it. When me talk, I know when me talk. You know what to trigger me off. You know when I'm triggered. You know when I'm being nice and lovely, yeah, and when me and them do the look of mood swing and you know when I'm there. Sometimes I play music and just there, yeah. Not if I look and give me just a play because I'm gonna one different element. Anything on my mind depend, any mood my mind depend, I hit me depend. Yeah. Me get everybody that side of me. Me no hold back nothing. So when I come to when I tell him, we can't just say bad man for them Dean jeans. Them born with the heights of bad man. I come talk about prank. No prank no there so. Cause me come on TikTok and me a beg one wheel. Me a beg one wheel. Me now always spite me attack. So guys, somebody can send me something loud. The prank no there, sir. Me and Jayden no do no skit. You Tamale me no get advice. You ever go look for your advisor. You and Jayden did a go plan prank. Not a big fat shit bad girl, yeah. Yeah. You and Jayden did a go do prank. Not this shit bad girl here. You and Jayden they go do prank. No me don't need to show nothing in my. Me don't need to show no talking on my phone. Cause me and Jayden nah, and we'll never go along to them the dilemma there. Cause me don't need to come on TikTok, come prank, forget gift. More than I beg it. That's all me I do beg. Me don't need to do that. But him want back some views. Jayden been having views on them people them. When him a say this song go grab her around wall or so, touch her anger and him put the caption, the girl that only 12. Him do that for people run with it. He did that for people to run with it. The only way that the age and when you Dev come out and talk, say people in your DM, you never sit down and talk to him as a friend. We are human being. You must can tell people. That person asks me bait for morning. Come here, me can't make you go far. Come, cause you know you stay here so. Hold your black. Yeah.
So, when do people it wrong? You know what I mean? Wrong. You see, but him come and him did give an explanation, and enough people did kinda, you know what I mean, say okay then, alright, that thing did mean whatever. You see me? But you have people who are gonna bash him same way because him should have got it, so none at all, right? But it's a youth where him certain things where enough other person are gonna do, him will do it. Cause remember him go beg Pe0Ple the Lion, you know. And I him name Lion Man, you know. You see me, so that kinda stick on him. So him feel like say just him go through the whole Pe0Ple thing and some other thing. Cause him have a little buzz. So him feel like say yo, if him do nothing, nobody now go to pay no mind, them a go say I just him that whatever. But that's how him go do. Him wrong for do that. So Dev, you know, come out and I put him down more. Because them used so good in there. The two of them used to par. You see me, I say, two of them used to, where I say, play a match and them something there. And good. But if I didn't do that, Dev kind of take away himself. And right now, Dev say I expose him because him expose Dev. So I expose. So look what some more people.
Problem. As I what me that say the caption, the girl at 12. It's just that he put that caption for people to run. Ashley's not 12. We realize him is not that type of person because Ashley's not 12. However, Dev said people in him DM I text him about the story. No. When you have a friend, you can tell them when them wrong, and you can tell them when them right. And I said to Jayden that he came and I said to Jayden, you're wrong. Even though you might not be that type of person where you portray it out of your mouth, let them say something about define who you are. So when you're gonna write that is what you're basically telling people is that is what type of person you is. I know you're not that type of person. When Jayden came out and make that apologies, I tell him to apologize. Cause I know a joke him make, but I just saw him stay. Him young and naive. I told you, when the apology when make is me tell him to make it. No, he's your friend, you have him phone number, and you get message in your DM about him. You don't come here and try to bring him down on the internet. You call him. And you say to him that, brother, I'm not like that, bro. You shouldn't do that. But however, whenever we are human being and we made mistake, let us try patch it. People always troll you on the internet, that's fine. But if you as an individual see where you went wrong, we can patch it. Why they've never come out and said, Jayden, let us try patch it. You know what him do? Make a video. Him a look views and hype for people. And you are the views and you are look the hype. That's why you came up with the topic. And you are look something for run with. Cause you know if you come out and say a prank, people going to run with it. That's something you talk about Jayden from May 24. Now April soon done. So we are come back talk about. That message what Jayden sent come give is from May 24. March, sorry. Osh. My apology, Osh people. March 24. I know April soon done. And next what? And this week, next week I'm here. That week I'm here coming down. And you, I walk and look hyper for people and views. Me not have much. I try to help Jayden in the situation. Because me want to show him girlfriend say. That's what me like when people come over here, other people come over here. I wanted him to show her that no matter what you do or no matter what you say, Jayden got hours of people have him back. No matter how uno picture me on the internet as a disgusting, toxic individual, me have a whole heap of gallo going to comment section go about some on the table of cloth.
So Rosealee says still people if a true or lie, them did a scam the people them and make up whatever they make up and me pan a level in a business here, man. You see me? But you know what I mean? Deverell him feel some type of way. Say at the end of the day I two friend them, so me leave a business here, man. Me entertain by what go on. So me just outside and I look him. You see me? So I want to tell more anything. So me I go over Blinga you know, and Blinga I give it to Lion, man. You see me I say? So and then him join the live, you know, people. So make we go watch that. This I got it. Hey, I know.
You have to water down. Me Beauty Bling said that. You have to water down. People, how enough to support somebody? How enough to support somebody? We're talking about what talk about 12 years? We don't make it make sense. Come on. Thank you so much, Island Girl. Not a soul. Wanna just come and make up story and ask the proof 24/7, 44/8. Me ask enough to come drop girl file from when I can't drop girl file all now. I know none of the pan this year up here, after this up here can't drop my file because me not have none. Me not have none because me not live dirty life and me not have no shame. And me no crosses. Me carry every last one of my picnic them. Me can't walk past cemetery any hours of the night. You know baby and mommy. You understand? You want to dirty crosses. Tell the people them how much dirty suck and much bad you lick out. Explain to the people them because you never see come see. Because you start sleep on bed now you feel like your blood clot reach. Because you start drive one little car you feel like your blood clot reach. Little boy don't argue with me, know your space, know your lane. Know your lane and know your space. Me shouldn't even out your side do this with you, but me I go answer you and done. Jayden, you flop like dog, and you go get worse flopper. You are go flopper right now because guess what? People know say this is a prank. You understand me? People know that this is a prank. You and this big pussy and plan up and for make up story for come rob the people them. Nobody no figure nothing. Nobody no figure nothing. If me have a fundraiser like that with 8,000 people pan there, trust me, I walk with all 5 grand. All might be $1,000. Here's a disgrace. Here's a disgrace. Here's a blood clot disgrace. And if you come off of the up and go, you don't serve no purpose pan this blood clot, but you want to do prank for make some money because nobody now give no money after the 12. Expect people to still support you after you come with that. You really expect anybody to still support you or anybody support you them across this too. The whole lot come out here and make up on a story and feel like someone can come and take with everybody and make everybody believe in that and them something. The little boy you need to go look one work or something. You understand? You're not all no meds. Jayden, you're not all no meds. The things that we have to do for green card. The things that we have to do for come and foreign. I'm sorry for that. That's why when the girl Carol come here, them for chastise on a dirty blood clot. Me not sorry for no more on a no time. Me not sorry for no more on. I left you to that dirty girl there. I left you to Ashley. I left you to Ashley, Jayden. Remember me tell you this. I done you done for. Sometimes you name some pussy. And you fuck some pussy that dead or go to prison. And sometimes as you fuck a girl, you sit down and just wish if you did dead. Because crosses will start follow you. And right now if you ask me, I be a crosses that follow you. Yeah, here's a little dirty corruption. The fuck you come click live for me for? You can't click live for me. The amount of people will class you. The amount of people will talk about you and you are going to go click live for me. Do not click any live for me. One thing you can tell me about a blood clot police and police have bomber clot ambition. Go suck your mother, Jayden. Go suck your mother. Police not finna cut nobody pussy to come a foreign. Police not have to take no whole neither. You're straight Batman. You ever hear Batman a call pan police blood clot? Girl can't come talk to police them out. So, oh, the only thing you can say is police naive. That's all. Police name can't call for no. Suck your mother, Jayden. Suck your mother. Police name can't call for no 9. Crazy? You crazy? Police name can't call for no suck. But I don't lick out no but. Your mother, you're not all no meds. You're not all no meds, boy. You need to lift up off of this blood clot, yeah. You're not all no meds. Y'all beat you in your face with them jaws. But a foreign girl alone can lick you. And a foreign pussy alone. No, you need to suck some John because trust me, you suck. Right now, Jayden, me ask you carry a blood clot. And it never started. Because you never have none. You never have none. You're not all no meds, batty boy. Batty boy. You're not all no meds. Suck your mother. You're out of order. You're out of blood clot order. You and your woman can't make one. Go suck on no mother. Oh. Everybody knows the tax money run a foreign. Everybody knows you can't take out loan and borrow money for do this and borrow money for that. I'm telling you to stop make people chicken away the America. Stop it. A credit run America. Enough for we over foreign broke. One heap we over America broke. Some of we a lawsuit we get and buy one little house. Buy one little car. Enough for we over here so broke. No blood clot. Don't make no girl come from foreign and feel like say them want class and style on you. crazy? Show off power. Enough for we Jamaica live better life than enough for we over here so me Miss Blinga telling you that. Jayden go suck your mother. Move. And be a dirty crutches your name. Be a dirty bat. Fuck off and come off for me bankrupt. You dog shit. You just make a blood clot girl. Enough for the girl them a foreign. No man no want them. That's why I'm a forgot Jamaica go look a blood clot man. Not for the girl them a foreign, nothing not going for them. Them married to themselves. Me, Miss Blinga telling that. Them married to them blood clot self. Them walk on them belly like dog. Yeah. Man done pan them. Whole heap of the girl them wanna see up a foreign man done pan blood clot them. Them take the welfare money, the child care money and go do them body. Right now you can't go do your body, you pay them $500 and pay every month. But me, Miss Blinga telling you this. That's why no girl and no boy can't talk to me about my body. You crazy? Body cheap, body I sell a shop. Don't make nobody make you feel like son of a blood before time. Suck on no mother. Suck on no mother. Thank you. Care credit. Anything I want to see them come down in, I'm going to ask you no. Enough of them where you sick over here, so now live no life. No.
People, oh Blinga deal with the dog, so. Blinga deal with the dog like a piece of shit, yo. What what him say? Come in a year that the live there, I'm in a year what him say on the live there, you know. Someone know what him say make sure I deal with him, so. Nah, man. Boy, him a go come on the live still. And them a go talk still, you see it. But nah, man, she a deal with him away, man. She a deal with him terrible. So, make you watch some more my people and hear what I say. A couple times every year, Blinga sound them type of way, yeah. No.
Them not have dry shit in them body. Them say you want them come up with them bank account for the past 30 days. You da see judgment. You tell them say I could go back 60 days. You da see judgment. Broke like buckle. Broke like buckle. Wanna stop make people come from foreign, come at Jamaica, come make una feel like say una not live no life. Are them better than una? They are not. They are not. Enough of them are struggling. It's just that over here, so we have winter and one different type of climate. So somehow we kind of look like a cleaner. Yes. Somehow we look like a uptowner. Everything, Burlington Marshalls, them sell white teas, all $5. Fruit of the Loom, $5. Whole heap of the things them they on sale over here. Enough of the clothes them come from Shein and Timo. But when certain people put it on, it just look good. It just fit them. Alright? You can buy one pants for $12 and $20. When I ask me the things that I'm telling you, no one feel like no girl can hype and show off by me. Eh? Because me have them file. Them can't talk to me. Them can't talk to me. We have one something over here named welfare. It there Switzerland too. I don't know this. Them no ramp for pay on rent and pay on bills at Switzerland. Them no play for pay on bills at Switzerland. Ask Miss Bling. Miss Bling can tell you. Worse America. You understand? You know, come on up, come go on like say you're more than nobody. You're no more than no blood clot, but you can't argue with me. Me the wrong one, Jayden. Suck your mother and go continually cut y'all big pussy. Y'all fuck out. Me nah ask. Batty call name. Boy. Batty call by your name. Pedophile. And I don't like a something where we hear. Are you come tell we? Are you come tell we about you drunk crow, you crowbait. All me, if me did that with you, me da run, me da left you. I mean, me don't know what me I said this for. Cause me coulda do with blood clot, you favor lizard. You favor Geico. Jayden, you favor Geico, you don't have no boy, you slim and you don't trim. You slim and you don't trim. Jayden, you look stink and you look dirty. At least police slim and dainty. You slim and you don't blood clot trim. You don't have nothing about you. Nothing about blood clot you. None of them pussy and you eat a slow up in a life. None of them batty lick out and eat a slow up in a life. You have to be careful who you lick out and so. Because sometimes you go lie down with a girl and I tell you when you get up a bed crosses and destruction. You understand? One bed, one put in a one pan and scour. You don't have no about you. At least police have something. At least police have something. Police is slim and clean. Police is slim and dainty. Police blood clot buzz and batting and cut. And him now fi lick out no that pussy fi stay relevant. Go suck your mother. That's all you can tell me about police. The police are go mad on a dirty blood clot. Police are going mad on a blood clot. All police care about time Blinga. All police care about time Blinga. The young time police worry when Blinga and talk to him. Hey boy, lift up off of this blood clot. You can't chat to police. You can't chat to blood clot police. At least police out here a try. Me sure no some not see police with a Mark X. We not see police with a Cuban. We not see police with Gucci, Fendi and Prada. Cheap and blood clot clean the boy beat and him still look good. Jayden, where you put Jenny your favorite blood clot guy call. Jayden, you look like up in your woman pussy. Full of mileage. Full of blood clot mileage. Jayden, you need to come off of my name. Everybody depend your name and me alone you choose. And me alone you choose to come argue with. And you know enough to argue with me because once you argue with me, your career is finished. I will end you. I will end you. Remember, I know you never see police come out just with a prank yet forget no blood clot money. You never see Miss Blinga come out here with a prank yet. You never see police come out here with a prank yet forget no money. Relax, Jayden. Relax. You choose the wrong house to stop. And you have to stop at my house because you flop. Because nothing now go on for blood clot. You go suck your mother. Go suck over here say you want come blood clot, come stop. You crazy. You can't stop you so drunk, bro. Police, Jenny, you have nothing about you. And when you start sleeping in bed, and because I and the battery will out. You don't have nothing about you, Jayden. Your crosses, little boy. You condemn. I'm going to show you say you condemn. I'm going to show you say you salt. That one pussy banana. Salt up your dirty blood clot. You think you don't salt you? It is also the girl where you have. Because she have crosses. She look like crosses and she favor crosses. You can't class blood clot, girl. You can't class me. Eh? Everything you tell me about police. You if you tell me about blood clot police, because police I don't know. My son never hear police name called Pambati. Never. You never hear police name called Pan. Never. You never hear police name called Pan Licking. Never. Police is young and free and wild. Police want to smoke, big out him and middle of a blood clot. Them and him friend them drink and party, and that police want do. Suck your then. Suck your. Police have no time for no boy. If you fan off no boy, I find. You're crazy. Police now have no time for fan off no boy, I find. But the old way back with Anofi Batty. Anofi Batty Jayden. Even if you might try to shove it up in a wall because it's too big, it's too huge. You're a little body people Batty wall. You're a little body in a people Batty. Because you not walk with nothing. Me tell you already he's a lizard. Suck your mother Batty boy. Miss that. Suck out your mother Jayden. Me never sure if you have no mama. Because trust me, coming like you can them. You can blood clot them. Go suck out your mother.
Yo, John no star. How she deal with the G so? No man. What him do her? What him say? What him say upon him live? Anybody where they upon him live or hear what him say? Wanna tell me what him say? Because him can't say nothing simple for she go on so. Because I first would have said the first time. You know what I mean? This is a regular fish go on so. And on a level still. Is if you're upon the media and you talk about things where you see upon the media and a person say back something about you, you're not supposed to feel so hurt. You know what I mean? Because all Blinga go on, you know, is like, you know what I mean? No man, it's like say this youth here say something bad about her. More say that live the for hear what him say. For she a go on so big woman thing. What make she a go on so? No. But you can't say nothing about a person still or do nothing to a person and tell them how to respond. You understand what I say? You can't tell them how to respond. So we are going to watch some more and hear some more. I remember me telling you say him come on the live, so we are going to see that also.
Girl come by and say come try can people and scam people. Suck out there. No boy will just start sleep on bed the other day can't chat to me. None. None. Pussy clot at night time. The way you pussy your face and sit down in your head, you stifle dirty boy. You don't see her hold down. You don't see it. Looking at your life, stand up and looking at the mirror by yourself. You need to do better before this. You at least you need to get 1 and 2 little things. Eh? Look for you. Look at you. You go click live for me. You can't click live for blood clot me. Go click live for your big girl. Because enough of the girl them want to see I come from foreign come to Jamaica. If them fuck up one them man done pan blood clot them. That's why them have to come out of Jamaica come for Uno. You understand? But me I tell you see that green card the way you look. Me now ask Christ. Me now ask Christ you have to go work for that blood clot. Remember me tell you that. The things that you have to go do for that. No worry on yourself, you know. Wanna draw a chair. Don't worry on yourself. Draw a chair. You know what's what me I talk about. You guys will see what I'm talking about. Because you think I draw she go dash in her face next. I her dirty pad. And who will tell if she not fling her dirty pad in her face already. Dog shit. All your mother supposed to upset so she bring blood clot you. Ma ask Christ your mother supposed to feel bad. Your mother supposed to wish if one time she didn't have your clothes on your blood clot. Yeah. Yeah, come for me. I mean, you come for when I don't want like a hype. Yes, police are them problem. Police, when I remember them, all police want do a party, drink and smoke. You understand? That's all police want do. Police don't know nothing about no boy. No boy don't know police batty wall. Police not suck lick out batty wall. Police not. Let me tell you, no people. The most know what the police do. I come here upset and stressed out and I let you bring and chat to him. And police not dirty. Police clean. Police nice. If you see police in real life, police is very clean. Very clean. I'm sure no Jayden not clean like police. I ask Christ. Jayden. That's the only thing you can tell me about blood clot police. But you know what me happy about? Me happy say man a Batman. But Ashley, Batman a fuck. Yeah, Batman a fuck. The reason why the donkey don't get for fuck you too far. Cause if you and the donkey in the same place, me sure no say you don't get. But people been on time for this. Me just click the live to make the boy know say me not the one with him for comfort. And I just there's some day. You're outside and you're bright. Go worry about your blood clot, girl. Come and left you to she. Me, Miss Blinga left you to Ashley. Yeah. Ashley for the record. Jayden has no hype. So what you're doing now, you're wasting your time. You can never be on the chart or on the map. Jayden has no hype. None whatsoever. I'm just done talk. No hype Jayden not have. Jayden, me no want any blinganeers me say. Support blood clot Jayden. Wanna stay over there. Because you can't support a ped. You burn out ped. You understand? Remember nobody tell where him say it with him own mouth. Him say it with him own mouth. Them boy are fuck. You understand? That boy the fuck. Him say it with him own mouth. Suck your mother. Nobody not tell no lie upon you. And you say it. And you come tell upon the app. Yeah? You come tell upon the app. You're not supposed to click no life for blood clots me. You're out of order. Everybody who have something to say about you. Remember, I know me not say nothing bad about you. I know me not say nothing bad about you. But you have to come for girl because you don't want a buzz or you want to get little hype. So you have to come for me. Because you can't go for nobody else because them don't have no hype. And them don't have no buzz. So you come which part the buzz day. You come which part that keep. Because everybody know and see. It's evident. Miss Blinga keep. I don't even work that up here the way I'm for work that up here. Sometimes I barely come blood clot live. Cause this hype and clout no mean shit to me. Them some here no mean nothing to me. I do this for free. You understand? Me do this for free, people. This no mean nothing to me. Them have to depart up from morning till night. Me not have to do that. And me alone see a blood clot prank. And you go come for and me alone see a prank. And even if me say a prank, come on the live and say, Blinga, you can't say that. Over here say a prank. Come talk to me because me not have on. Me have somebody we can talk to. I don't have on. But may I tell you this? You think you mash up yet? You not mash up yet. You see, every time I go live, now, any of you click back a live for me. Any of you click back a live for me, any of you click back a live for me, Jayden, any of you. Remember me.
You know me people. As me say, I first me ever sibling I go so hard. I will iron man do him so. You know. You see me? Cause me not see the live, you know. So move to ear. So anybody will see the live, me know in the comment section what him say. So because I think me did see him on a live and him a talk about the people and where I say things about him and him did a talk about Deverell also. Yes, what I say, maybe at that time there, him did a talk about Blinga too. Seeing so what him say so bad, make sure I go so hard. Boy, me not see sense, make sure I go so hard still. On a level. Although me see already say, yo, you can't tell a person how to react to you. So him say what him say, and she feel like say what him say deserve this. So me I go try forward it now to the part where him come on the live and them attack. You see me? So me could watch it.
Too much people see a prank. All you have to do, I come on the podium or send me a message and say, Blinga, tap that. And then a prank, a serious thing. Me not have on. Me have somebody where you can talk to. Where anybody can talk to upon this. But you have to come for me. You look like a long time you want to come for me.
Blinga, if you did want to help me never have a bumbo clock come on the podium to give a fuck about me not try to give them.
Jayden.
Yes, man, of England, that fucking batty boy there, influencer and a talk about prank with fake screenshot, bro. If you look on a screenshot, you don't know say it's fake, dog.
Alright, Jayden, listen. Imagine, remember now, when me see the situation, you know, me feel away, you know, if Rosealee never take up this situation, you know, me would have take it up, right? So me I say, yeah, somebody where me talk to, all the fuck you gonna come for me? Look how much people see a prank. You couldn't just fucking send me a message and say, damn, let's go that because I know.
This Blinga, anybody see a prank, me diss them. Everybody will see a prank, me diss them.
So you say, hold on, so you say for me alone.
I know y'all alone get this. Everybody get it.
Alright, done. Me think I'm me alone. Alright, me done. Like when this everybody, that's fine.
Stop. Watch out, stop. Call up them man, their name. They abuse them man, they look. Them man, they hungry or foreign, abuse them man. Don't call up them man.
So you come here, start come settings about people now, for people come for me. You saw you stayed with Jayden.
I say things, but man I say things about me, I talk about fake, but me link them and them things that me no link no man. After I make that video, the man they block me. You see it and I look hyper for my name. You see it. So after that, me no talk to them man there again. So me don't know what the fuck the man that make up screenshot I come talk about me text him, but me want to do prank. You feel like everybody still like him company internet and a scam people, bro. Me not answer, bro. Me I go to my real thing. Me make sure company internet for prove.
Well, me feel better now for no say I know me alone you this. Me feel good now. Cause
No,
me
man,
say out to everybody, why am me alone? You got to pick up a class.
All triple industry a prank. Come here, I get serious pan triple man. You see it?
Well,
All road.
me feel better. Me feel better. Me feel good now. All right
Yeah.
then. Sorry.
All
Can't
right.
think of me alone, you cuss.
No, sir.
All right. People send this, everybody will say a prank. Gonna leave me a blood clot, Loan. A prank, and you all. No. No, man, he at me, or he go cuss me alone. Cause you know me alone, I say a prank. Move on, allow me. Allow me and Jayden, don't go away. My blood clot. Hey, so real no blood clot. Alright, people. Here. Seriously speaking, Jayden. Alright then. Me feel better now, cause you see like how you cuss out everybody when you see a prank. Me feel good now. Me glad say I don't be alone get cuss out. Cause if I me alone get cuss out, me go on with myself, man. Sweet SoundCloud.
Tell me what you think in the comment section. You see me, cause see him come on the live and him explain everything and she calm down. That one of the thing where people, you say if you take no message from nobody, you have to understand clearly what the person did say. Don't take everything where a person tell you, because they might add or them not put in some other things. So you have to hear everything for yourself, or you know what I mean, find out from the person what them say, and then you move or you move after that. Because people when them can't use enough of the time, them tell you know what them want tell you know. You see me I say, so you see how something simple could have turned big if him never did forward on the live and say something. So let me know what you think in the comment section. Alright, so me I go end this.